Good morning, class. I hope everyone is okay. My name is Takutswa Nakiwa. I teach mathematics. So today we are going to talk about simplification of algebraic expressions. So I'm gonna share my screen so that everyone can see what we are doing here. Then our topic is simplify linear expressions. Simplify linear expressions. When simplifying linear expressions, we have to know the aspect of dealing with algebra. We've got two things here that we have to know, that we have to be familiar with. We have got variables and constants. Variables, these are letters that we borrow from an alphabetical order. For example, A to Z. These are variables. And constants, these are numbers that we borrow from a number line 0 up to negative infinity and 0 up to positive infinity. These are numbers. Then we've got the principles of algebra, because algebra is the combination of those variables and constants, so it has got principles. Principle number one, it says variables do not add or subtract each other. But before we go any further, let me explain this to you first. If we have got a variable like this, like a is a variable and its coefficient is 1. The coefficient of a is 1, and the exponent of a, which means the power of a, is also 1, and its denominator is also 1. So these ones, they are not written, but they are silent, but they are there. So the coefficient of a is 1. So when we say a plus a, we get 2a. Where is the 2a coming from? Remember, we've got the coefficient of 1 here, which is silent, and the coefficient of a here is also silent, which is 1. So the variables, they do not add or subtract each other. We just add the coefficients of the variables if the variables are similar. For example, a is similar to a, so we can say 1 plus 1 and we get 2a. This one and this one, we add each other, then we obtain 2a here. It will be like this: 1, opening bracket, 1 plus 1. Then we get 2a. That's how we get 2a. So we have the a here has been factored out of the brackets. Then inside the brackets we remain with the 1 plus 1. Then we can also put a back into the brackets. For example, we say 1 times a plus 1 times a, then it will be equal to 1a plus 1a, then it will be equal to 2a. So there's a concept of multiplying here of variables and constants. When we are saying 1 times a, we get 1a. 1 times a, we get 1a. Then when we are saying 1a plus 1a, we get 2a. We are adding 1 plus 1, then we get 2a. Then but if the variables are different, for example, if we say x plus y, the answer will be equal to x plus y, because these variables are different, they are not the same, so they don't add or subtract each other. As well, if we say x minus y, it is equal to x minus y. It remains like that. Because different variables, their coefficients do not add or subtract each other. Then another principle here, we say, if we say x plus 2, it remains like x plus 2 because variables and constants, they do not add or subtract each other, so it remains like x plus 2. So let me give you an example now. If you are given a problem like this, if they are saying x m minus 7 plus 3m minus 8, then you're asked to simplify this. You just have to regroup like terms together to bring things that are similar to one side. For example, we say 4m plus similar to 3m plus 3m minus 7 minus 8. Then here we'll be saying 4 plus 3, we get 7m minus 7 minus 8, we get minus 15. So that will be our answer. That's how we solve these things. So let's solve these problems that I've put on the screen. Problem number 1, it says 10x 10x minus 8x plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10. Then here the terms are already grouped, so you just have to say 10 minus 8, we get 2x plus 2 plus 10, we get 12. Then our answer will be 12, 2x plus 12. That's all. That will be our answer. Then here, let's solve this one. It is saying 3a plus 7 plus 2 open bracket 2 open bracket 2 open bracket 3 plus a closing bracket. So here we first simplify the terms that are inside the brackets by removing the brackets. Then we say 3a plus 7 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3, 2 times 3 plus 2 times 2 times a, 2 times a. Then our answer will be equal to 3a. Then we regroup like terms together here, plus 2a plus 6 plus 7. Then our answer will be equal to 3a plus 2a, we get 5. 5a plus 13 plus 13. That is our answer. So this makes the end of our lesson. Then other problems, I would like you students to solve them. Then you send them to me and I'll mark them. Thank you.